Hello, my name is Karlo Matitaishvili. I'm the Vice Dean of the Medical School at Georgian American University. The medical program at Georgian American University is an undergraduate medical program which consists of 360 credits, which can be attained in 5 years. And program is designed to meet the challenges of training of the doctors of 21st century. The program consists of 4 phases. The first phase is from cell to body, where you learn the fundamentals of medicine, the fundamental subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, molecular biology, genetics, everything that is necessary for you to understand how the human body functions. The second is the mechanism of disease, where you learn pathology, pathophysiology, physical diagnosis, and you will understand why disorders arise in human body and why diseases develop. The third one is the clinical medicine, where you learn the particular clinical subjects like internal medicine, surgery, radiology, otorhinolaryngology, psychiatry, so on and so on. And you will get more acquainted with the clinical practice. And the final phase is preparing for graduation, where you are a near doctor, where you actually can diagnose and can provide some treatment to the patients. And then you graduate and you will prepare for certification examinations, and that depends whether you return to your home country or you will pursue your career abroad. The medical program is partly integrated. It means that there are no individual subjects during the first 3 years of study, and this is the recommendation of the World Federation of Medical Education. As I said, program can be attained in 5 years by undertaking 72 credits per year, that is allowed by the local legislation in Georgia. Georgian American University has the agreement with the hospital chain provided by the EVEX Medical Corporation, where you will be undertaking your clinical rounds, clinical practice, and these hospitals are equipped with all the necessary equipment and newly renovated, so it will make your studies there very pleasant and very informative. Georgian American University has also prepared for you the library, which will provide any necessary books that you would require, and also the simulator labs that are necessary for you to undertake your studies. I would like to say a few words in general about the intake problems and visa problems that were present during the spring intake of 2018. This was caused by some of the students who failed to properly answer in English language the questions that were asked by the visa officers and the border police. This happened because all Georgian English language programs are designed to intake the student who can prove their English language ability at B2 level of Common European Framework. The problems arose when some of the students failed to provide answers in English, and those answers were recorded and documented by the border police. Now we have overcame those problems because firstly, it was mandatory to have TOEFL or IELTS certificate when applying for Georgian study visa, D3 category visa, and now it is not a mandatory requirement. That means that by having a video interview with the university, you can prove that you know English at least at B2 level, and you are perfectly fit to pursue your studies of medicine at Georgian American University and any other university in Georgia. We understand that those problems that were present during the spring intake of 2018 caused enormous frustration to the students and their parents, were actually forced to try several times to enter the Georgia, and nowadays we think that those problems are solved, and we will not encounter any kind of visa problems if the students are perfectly fit and they have video interview and they know English at least at the B2 level. Thank you very much.